Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. April 7th, 2025. Go now. This is a dry, pre-primed with Meeden black gloss paint 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I've got some interferences I love to use, so I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to dribble a few or many dots of gold interference, then maybe dribble some lines. I'm thinking about combining regular colors, but I haven't completely made my mind up. But I do love the way the gold looks. I did it the other day as a background for a dragon. So we've got plenty of gold. And blue is next. I got tired of dribbling real fast, or tired of dotting. I love the green with the blue, and last is going to be the violets, but this is the green. And I can kind of see it. No idea what this is going to look like, but even if I don't like the first stage, I can always come back and do more. I'm not going to use the interference red, I don't think. This is the violet. You never know, I might change my mind and use some of the red in the end. What I really want to do is put some other colors in there. I want to try the Rhapsody Rose. I know it'll dry really dark, and it's probably a waste of my time, but I really want to find out what it looks like. So maybe I'll just indulge myself, because I know it'll just smear over some other things. I thought I might put some colored dots in tomorrow anyway. And I didn't use so much that it should ruin anything, I don't think. I like the lacy quality the lines leave behind. And the smears. I kind of don't mind the Rhapsody Rose either. I'm seeing the green, and it's very pretty. And because I didn't use the red, the Rhapsody Rose is taking its place nicely. I'll let this dry and decide what I might want to do. I kind of like the filamenty little lines left behind. Now I'm pretty sure I ought to stop, but I'd like to at least get this off of the edge of my canvas, and I'll be back when it's dry. Although I kind of want some more blue right now. Why do I want blue? I don't know. I could add real blue, like Egyptian blue. I'm not sure I'm going to like that. I might prefer the blue velvet. I really, really, really like the Rhapsody Rose though. I kind of wanted to use some cell activator, but I wasn't ready to do puddles. I think that'll be beautiful actually. But I always think that, so at least about the interferences. And I could try and show you now, because I know they'll light up. I really kind of want to use my, I'm going to put my phone down. Yeah, that's my nail art tool. I'm not sure I'm helping anything, but I'm at least going to find out if I like it or not. I can utilize my residuals somewhat anyway. I thought I'd like a spiral, but I didn't. I thought I might like fingerprints and I didn't. What do I want to do? I don't want to do anything else. I'm done. So this is dry and it's absolutely gorgeous in this in the side light. But I convinced myself before I turned the light on that I wanted to put some dots in, so I'm going to do that. And I've got some pink diamond. If I don't like it, I'll use a paper towel and get rid of it. I'm not sure that this is going to dry anywhere near as dark as bright as it looks. I've decided blue interference. So this is dry, and I spent about 20 minutes on it yesterday. And I decided today that I wanted more colors. So I tried some cerulean blue and a little bit of frozen amethyst. And I'm thinking I'm going to do both of those things now and fast forward. And I might add some pink carnation, but I'm not sure about that yet. But for right now, I think this will work. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.